1.4 Exercises. Practice makes perfect. 1. Use multiplication notation. In the following exercises, translate from math notation to words. 225, 4, multiplied by 7. 226, 8, multiplied by 6. 227, 5, 12. 228, 3, 9. 229, open parenthesis, 10, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 25, closed parenthesis. 230, open parenthesis, 20, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 15, closed parenthesis. 231, 42, open parenthesis, 33, closed parenthesis. 232, 39, open parenthesis, 64, closed parenthesis. 2. Model multiplication of whole numbers. In the following exercises, model the multiplication. 233, 3, multiplied by 6. 234, 4, multiplied by 5. 235, 5, multiplied by 9. 236, 3, multiplied by 9. 3. Multiply whole numbers. In the following exercises, fill in the missing values in each chart. 237, 238, 239, 240, 241, 242, 243, 244. In the following exercises, multiply. 245, 0, 15. 246, 0, 41. 247, open parenthesis, 99, closed parenthesis, 0. 248, open parenthesis, 77, closed parenthesis, 0. 249, 1, 43. 250, 1, 34. 251, open parenthesis, 28, closed parenthesis, 1. 252, open parenthesis, 65, closed parenthesis, 1. 253, 1, open parenthesis, 240,055, closed parenthesis. 254, 1, open parenthesis, 189,206, closed parenthesis. 255. A. 7, 6. B. 6, 7. 256. A. 8, multiplied by 9. B. 9, multiplied by 8. 257, open parenthesis, 79, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 5, closed parenthesis. 258, open parenthesis, 58, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 4, closed parenthesis. 259, 275, 6. 260, 638, 5. 261, 3,421, multiplied by, 7. 262, 9,143, multiplied by, 3. 263, 52, open parenthesis, 38, closed parenthesis. 264, 37, open parenthesis, 45, closed parenthesis. 265, 96, 73. 266, 89, 56. 267, 27, multiplied by, 85. 268, 53, multiplied by, 98. 269, 23, 10. 270, 19, 10. 271, open parenthesis, 100, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 36, closed parenthesis. 272, open parenthesis, 100, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 25, closed parenthesis. 273, 1000, open parenthesis, 88, closed parenthesis. 274, 1000, open parenthesis, 46, closed parenthesis. 275, 50, multiplied by, 1,000,000. 276, 30, multiplied by, 1,000,000. 277, 247, multiplied by, 139. 278, 156, multiplied by, 328. 279, 586, open parenthesis, 721, closed parenthesis. 280, 472, open parenthesis, 855, closed parenthesis. 281, 915, 879. 282, 968, 926. 283, open parenthesis, 104, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 256, closed parenthesis. 284, open parenthesis, 103, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 497, closed parenthesis. 285, 348, open parenthesis, 705, closed parenthesis. 286, 485, open parenthesis, 602, closed parenthesis. 287, 2719, multiplied by, 543. 288, 3581, multiplied by, 724. 4. Translate word phrases to math notation. In the following exercises, translate and simplify. 289. The product of 18 and 33. 290. The product of 15 and 22. 291. 51 times 67. 292. 48 times 71. 293. Twice 249. 294. Twice 589. 295. 10 times 375. 296. 10 times 255. 4.1. Mixed practice. In the following exercises, simplify. 297. 38, multiplied by, 37. 298. 86, multiplied by, 29. 299. 415, minus, 267. 300. 341, minus, 285. 301. 6,251, plus, 4,749. 302. 3,816, plus, 8,184. 303, open parenthesis, 56, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 204, closed parenthesis. 304, open parenthesis, 77, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 801, closed parenthesis. 305, 947, 0. 306, 947, plus, 0. 307, 15,382, plus, 1. 308, 15,382, 1. In the following exercises, translate and simplify. 309. The difference of 50 and 18. 310. The difference of 90 and 66. 311. Twice 35. 312. Twice 140. 313. 20 more than 980. 314. 65 more than 325. 315. The product of 12 and 875. 316. The product of 15 and 905. 317. Subtract 74 from 89. 318. Subtract 45 from 99. 319. The sum of 3,075 and 95. 320. The sum of 6,308 and 724. 321. 366 less than 814. 322. 388 less than 925. 5. Multiply whole numbers in applications. In the following exercises, solve. 323. Party supplies. Tim brought 96 minus packs of soda to a club party. How many cans of soda did Tim bring? 324. Sewing. Kanisha is making a quilt. She bought 6 cards of buttons. Each card had 4 buttons on it. How many buttons did Kanisha buy? 325. Field trip. 7 school buses let off their students in front of a museum in Washington, D.C. Each school bus had 44 students. How many students were there? 326. Gardening. Catherine bought 8 flats of impatiens for her flower bed. Each flat has 24 flowers. How many flowers did Catherine buy? 327. Charity. Ray donated 12 packs of t-shirts to a homeless shelter. How many t-shirts did he donate? 328. School. There are 28 classrooms at Anna C. Scott Elementary School. Each classroom has 26 student desks. What is the total number of student desks? 329. Recipe. Stephanie is making punch for a party. The recipe calls for twice as much fruit juice as club soda. If she uses 10 cups of club soda, how much fruit juice should she use? 330. Gardening. Hiroko is putting in a vegetable garden. He wants to have twice as many lettuce plants as tomato plants. If he buys 12 tomato plants, how many lettuce plants should he get? 331. Government. The United States Senate has twice as many senators as there are states in the United States. There are 50 states. How many senators are there in the United States Senate? 332. Recipe. Andrea is making potato salad for a buffet luncheon. The recipe says the number of servings of potato salad will be twice the number of pounds of potatoes. If she buys 30 pounds of potatoes, how many servings of potato salad will there be? 333. Painting. Jane is painting one wall of her living room. The wall is rectangular, 13 feet wide by 9 feet high. What is the area of the wall? 334. Home decor. Shantae bought a rug for the hall of her apartment. The rug is 3 feet wide by 18 feet long. What is the area of the rug? 335. Room size. The meeting room in a senior center is rectangular, with length 42 feet and width 34 feet. What is the area of the meeting room? 336. Gardening. June has a vegetable garden in her yard. The garden is rectangular, with length 23 feet and width 28 feet. What is the area of the garden? 337. NCAA basketball. According to NCAA regulations, the dimensions of a rectangular basketball court must be 94 feet by 50 feet. What is the area of the basketball court? 338. NCAA football. According to NCAA regulations, the dimensions of a rectangular football field must be 360 feet by 160 feet. What is the area of the football field? 6. Everyday math. 339. Stock market. Javier owns 300 shares of stock in one company. On Tuesday, the stock price rose $12 per share. How much money did Javier's portfolio gain? 340. Salary. Carlton got a $200 raise in each paycheck. He gets paid 24 times a year. How much higher is his new annual salary? 7. Writing exercises. 341. How confident do you feel about your knowledge of the multiplication facts? If you are not fully confident, what will you do to improve your skills? 342. How have you used models to help you learn the multiplication facts?